Tonight on You Paid For It, it is a story in St. Peters that investigator Elliot Davis has tracked for more than a year. A homeowner's battle with the city over sunflowers in his front yard. Well, today he finally had his day in court, and Elliot Davis is here now with the decision by the St. Peters judge. Elliot, what happened?
Well, Mandy, it certainly is an unusual case. Now, I hadn't come across anything like this in all my years. Now, with all the challenges in St. Peters, a battle over sunflowers, a homeowner vowed to fight this all the way to trial, which he got today. That is tonight's You Paid For It. It was decision day for St. Peters homeowner Chris Bank, who headed to court for trial and ultimately a decision by the judge. It's a fight over the sunflowers in his front yard that the city insisted had to go. St. Peters took him to court over the sunflowers, but following the hearing, the judge ruled against Chris Bank, who's crying foul.
The judge just ruled with the city, didn't give me an actual answer, just ruled with the city's findings that I was not in compliance.
St. Peters insisted Bank violated the city ordinance by not having an adequate turf to sunflower ratio and for having too many sunflowers in his yard. He's been in this battle with St. Peters since last June when he first called me about this deal. St. Peters insisted they had some residents' complaints. They took Bank to court when he wouldn't back down. But last year, on the day of the trial, the case was dropped. Not so this time. You think you got a fair shake?
Not at all. I mean, I specifically asked for measurements of the violation like any other violation is. Where was I in the wrong? And they said it's not up to numbers, it's up to their own interpretation.
So they get to decide?
They get to decide.
Here's the St. Peters spokeswoman, Lisa Bedian. Your reaction to the judge's decision?
Well, the judge made the decision based on the ordinance, and we just responded to what our citizens were complaining about, and this is the process, and this is how it all worked out.
So what now?
I can appeal, which I plan to do because I would like to still get an actual answer on what it would take, where I was in violation.
Would he have to pay a fine or what?
Yes, I have a $400 fine.
Was all this worth it?
Yeah, because I was asked that question too again by someone else, and if I don't step up and fight this, they can do it to anybody else.
He said he didn't really get a fair shake. It was the city's judge, court system. He says that's not fair.
Well, when our residents complain to us about something, we have to follow up.
Well, Chris Bank will file his appeal at the same St. Peters Municipal Court as his trial was held. He says, though, fighting St. Peters is a matter of principle, but he admits he's running out of options. He says if he loses the appeal, he'll just have to pay the $400 fine. I'll, of course, stay up on this to the very end. After all, you paid for it.